Have you ever thought how underwater repairs and maintenance is done? Well, it's almost the same as on ground. Except that everything down here is cooler and more dangerous. Welcome to the world of underwater welding, also known as hyperbaric welding. This is one of the most well-paid occupations for commercial divers. Underwater welding was invented by a Soviet engineer, Konstantin Krenov, in 1932. It made its way to the US in the 1940s through an underwater welding program in the US Navy. Underwater welding work can go down up to 1,300 feet of saline water. The applications of hyperbaric welding are diverse. It is often used to repair ships, offshore oil platforms, and pipelines. Steel is the most common material welded. There are two types of underwater welding, wet and dry. Dry welding means the welding is carried out in a sealed chamber whose water is pumped out. Wet welding, on the other hand, is performed totally immersed underwater. Underwater welding involves a lot of risk as well. It exposes a welder to hypothermia, drowning, electric shock, and decompression sickness due to increased pressure of breathing gas. Also, the deeper you get, the harder it is to see. At times, underwater welders may even get tangled in the lines of their own equipment. Scared? Don't be. Research is going on to make underwater welding safer and more efficient. If you like the thrill of the seas, underwater welding could be one avenue you can explore.